spring being around the corner makes this the perfect time to decorate for spring. This year, I just want something very subtle or neutral, and you guys know that I love my flowers. So we'll be styling some flowers today, and also you can spot there a little rubber vacuum cleaner that we'll be talking about a little bit more at the end of the video, so stick around if you want to see how to keep your house clean, hassle free. For now, enjoy the video. Just so you guys know, all the designer books that you see here are available on my store, as well as the ginger jar. It is a score, it is so beautiful. The pretty flowers that you see there are from Z Gallery. My wall sconces are from Z Gallery. My mirror, it is from Home Goods. And the new addition, these gorgeous candle holders, they're like pearl. I've never seen anything like that, so I was so excited to find them at Burlington for a really good price. And the foam white flowers are also from Burlington. And then my credenza is from El Dorado Furniture. I will leave you a link to a similar option, since I get so many questions all the time about my credenza. Now let's talk about the new addition to our family. It is this muscle vacuum cleaner, and it is so easy to assemble and install that we're gonna start. You're gonna open your phone, they give you a code, it brings you to this app, and immediately you're going to download that app into your phone, because you can control this device from your phone. How wonderful is that? So after you have the app and everything and you log in, you sign in with your email, you hit add device. But before that, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So here's how it comes in the pieces. It comes with 2 sets of brushes. The second pair is just a replacement. There is a battery section where you can charge it by the wall, and then you can just plug it in by the wall, and that's it. It's gonna start charging your robot. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. Then I'm going to go ahead and assemble these pieces. They are very simple because they come with letters. I'm not sure if you guys can capture that through the camera, but yeah, so one is right, one is left, and it's so simple, it goes right in. Once we have our vacuum cleaner ready, our little muscle robot vacuum cleaner ready, we just go and add it to the charging station and it says charging. So then you're gonna select small appliances, small home appliances, and you're going to select the robot vacuums with Wi-Fi. It is going to prompt you to a screen where you have to add your robot, and it's gonna recognize it by the Bluetooth right here. As you can see, it found it and it's gonna load up. You can control it with that or with the remote. In my case, I'm gonna show you how to use it with the remote. This comes with no batteries, so I went ahead and added batteries to my remote, and that's it. I hit start and it starts cleaning. This muscle is a self-charging robot vacuum cleaner. It has a strong suction. It works with Wi-Fi, different apps, and Alexa. It is super quiet and ideal for pet hair, medium pile carpets, and hard floors. As you can see here, I wanted to show you how it goes in transitions from like a flat carpet into just a bare floor. It also works with Google Assistant, voice control, and it kind of like talks to you. It says I'm charged, or it says it needs battery charge. When you click home, then it goes back to its home. We're gonna see that in a little bit on the video, but you can see that it won't damage your furniture because it kind of censors where it has to stop. So that's pretty cool, and I am enjoying it so much. So thank you so much, Mosso, for sending me this vacuum cleaner. This is, even though it was sent to me to review, this is my honest opinion about this product. Now I'm clicking home so he can go to his charging station, and you guys can see how intelligent it is. The final result of this decor is very neutral, and I am enjoying it. It's so refreshing. It makes my heart to smile. And if you are decorating for spring, I would like to know what colors are you using this season. What do you think of this decor? Is it something that you will try? Did you enjoy it? Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Ciao.